Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the Knit Crate yarn giveaway. And if you'd like to be a member, it's $24.95 per month, and you get 2 skeins of yarn. And if you come to this website, all my links are down below, and you get a booklet too that comes with it with patterns. Also, you get to pick what type of box that you would like, and you can put in my promo code Jewel20 and get 20% off your first month. So let's see who the winner is. Teresa Lockwood, congratulations. Thank you everybody for subscribing. Please contact me. Also, I can contact you. It looks like you left your email, so I can do that as well. I'll post this video so everybody can see who did win, and please come back and I'll send this out as soon as possible, as soon as you contact me with your information. And I just want to say that I'm going to probably do some giveaways in the future, maybe not as many just because of what's going on right now with the lockdowns and everything. But I do want to say that I hope everybody's doing well, and so far my family's doing well. And thank you everybody for participating and for watching. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already.